In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting this an error has occurred in the script on this page message every time you turn on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then select Task Manager from the list. In the Task Manager window, you'll first need to go ahead and find OneDrive. So it's right here in the Processes tab. Now right click on it and then select End Task. So this mostly occurs due to the OneDrive app failing to connect to its servers. So you'll first need to close the OneDrive app. The next thing you need to do is go to the Startup Apps tab, find OneDrive and then disable it from here. This way the app won't automatically open every time you boot your PC and you won't see any errors. However, if you still experience problems, go to the search menu and then type in Internet Options. Now select the first result. Now in this window, you'll first need to go to this Advanced tab right here. Now here make sure that the Disable Script Debugging option is selected and then hit Apply. Now go to the General tab next. Now here you will need to click on this Delete button right here. Here you will need to check all these 4 checkboxes and then select Delete. Once you have done this, simply hit Apply followed by OK and then restart your Windows 10 or 11 PC and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.